I'm Fernando with Pool Network. Today we're here just making sure all the material has been delivered so we can start this project for this customer. We're gonna do a complete pool renovation. Please come with me, check it out. All right, so here we are. This is our project. We're going to start here by removing all this dated paver and coping and replacing it with newer, more modern pavers and coping. In a few minutes here, they're going to start to remove all this outer coping on the edge so we can put new coping down, and we can replace the tiles, and we can put brand new plaster on the pool, and this place will look amazing. As you can see, this is part of the demoing process. We are removing all the old coping, old tile, so that we can make room for the new coping and new tile. Like right over here, for example, it's already been removed. We will then stucco this part of the pool to make sure there's nice and flat surface. We will also level the beam of the pool to make sure there's a nice flat surface and leveled for the new coping. So in this case here, this pool had a crack. And the way that we repair those is with staples. And these staples will stabilize this crack and not allow it to move any further, so there won't be any more problems in this area. When it comes to pool decks, it's very important that we set all the pitches for drainage. In this case, when this pool deck was built originally, the deco drain, or the drain, is underneath the pavers and it's not absorbing the water. As you can see, there's a lot of water puddling over here. We just did a little test and we added water and set all the pitches towards the drain so that the water drains. If the water collects here, a lot of mold will grow. So in the way that we're gonna do it, we're gonna ensure that no mold like this will collect around the pavers and everything looks nice and clean. So in this phase of the process, what we're doing is we're installing all the new pavers. Our guys have already removed all the old pavers. We've set new sand down, leveled everything, pitched everything towards the drains, and these are the pavers that we're putting in. Once this process is done, we will move back inside the pool again to do the tile and plaster so that we can finish this project. As you can see, we've already started laying the new tile. We've already leveled everything off and the new tile's going in. This customer picked a nice 1x2 glass tile. This will look amazing once it's complete. So in this phase of the prep process, what we're doing is we're chipping out around all the fittings, returns, main drains, pool lights, everything, so we can set new plastics and new hardware and make sure everything is sealed with hydraulic cement so nothing moves, there are no leaks, and everything is beautiful. We have what's called aqua glass. It's basically a fiberglass finish on top of concrete. And we're going to chip this all out, delaminate this whole pool so that we have a good surface for the new plaster finish to adhere to. So as part of the demoing process, we will also chip all around this light here, this light niche, and to make room for hydraulic cement to seal in that light niche to make sure there's no leaks around the light niche. We also inspect the light niche to make sure there are no cracks to ensure that once our job is complete, there are no leaks around this light. So here we are, the pavers are all done. Now, as you can see, we put in a brand new deck drain, which this customer didn't have before. Now, whether it rains or they're trying to hose off the pool deck, it'll all run towards the drain and out the screen cage. As you can see, we're just doing a little test to demonstrate how all the pitches on this pool deck are set properly. We're putting water on the pool deck just so you can see how the water travels straight over to the deck drain and out the screen cage. As you can see, our project is now complete. We've renovated this entire area. We've done the pavers, the coping, the tile, the interior of the pool, and the pool is just about to be done filling. From here, what we're gonna do is we're going to start the startup process, and once that's complete, the homeowner will be able to finally enjoy his pool again.